Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Septia Ningtyas. I'm 31 years old. I'm single. I'm Muslim. My last education senior high school. I have one younger brother. I have experience working in Singapore 2 years. My job is take care children, clean the house, clean the toilet, cooking, ironing, and go to market. I can cook simple Chinese food like steamed fish, chicken steam, fried vegetable, and soup. I cannot eat pork, but I can cook pork. I'm afraid of dog. I won't go to Hong Kong because I need money for my family future and my future. I'm promised to finish my contract and I'm promised to work very well. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.